Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so the process runs smoothly. First, open Mico and confirm you're on V2, 1 or newer and signed in. This ensures widget compatibility. Once done, enable widget permissions in settings so Mico can place components on your home screen. Then pick the data source, an API key, local CSV, or Mico feed, because the widget pulls live content. Now add a new widget slot and choose the size. That's your starting point to configure behavior and layout. Now you configure how the widget behaves and looks. Select size, 1x1 for badges, 2x2 for summaries, 4x2 for rich cards, and set density so text scales correctly. Next, map data fields. Assign title, image, and timestamp so items render predictably. This prevents blank tiles. Then set refresh rules. Choose 15 minutes for near real-time or hourly to save battery, and enable local caching to avoid missing data. Finally, preview the widget, tweak spacing, and save the layout to apply it. Finish by placing the configured widget on your screen and assigning a tap action or deep link so users navigate correctly. You should test updates. Force refresh the widget and confirm the API returns expected responses and JSON keys. If content fails to appear, check permissions, inspect logs for 401/400 for errors, and clear the widget cache before retrying. Often a cache reset resolves stale data. If problems persist, rebuild the widget slot and rebind the data fields to fix mapping issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.